There is something absolutely wrong with Nigeria. Something is very, very wrong with this country. Now, that was the day before yesterday. I saw this clip of Tinubu's convoy. Now, I have a lot of problem with this convoy. Even though Tinubu has promised Nigerians on countless time that he is going to cut down the convoy, he's going to reduce expenses, he's going to make sure that he's not spending more on governance, he's not spending more on, minor budget like the convoy you are seeing now on this clip. Despite everything, we are still seeing Tinubu with hundreds of cars. All these cars moving, they are not autopilot. In other words, someone is driving them. The drivers are going to be paid. When you look at all these vehicles, there is no made in Nigeria. But come to think of it, the other footage, the other clip you're watching on this video right now is also Nigerian citizens. They are craving for food. They are eating food, the rice that has poured on the soil. They are gathering the soil, gathering the rice in the soil. Maybe they will go home and filter it because they are hungry. There is something absolutely wrong with this country. So, how can we connect these dots? That the governments, especially the presidency, they keep on spending more. Expenses that are not relevant, expenses that are not even important when the whole masses are suffering. And they are telling the masses that they should have patience, that everything is going to be fine. Who does that? Now, before this crisis started, this hunger, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, a lot of billions of naira, they said Tinubu gave her money for her to share to the people. What happened? The money was embezzled. You and I know what happened about Betedu, but who is talking about Betedu today? Nobody. This is what I learned right from the time of Muhammadu Buhari administration, that when an APC candidate emerge any position, either a governor or a president, the person will just give you the first orientation that he's going to do well, he's going to lead well, he's going to do this, he's going to do that. But come on, at the end, everything they said will be opposite to what they are going to do. Take your time and watch this video. This is your president's convoy. Why people are suffering, why people are dying of hunger.
Make I finish this work.